Guys, I just created a breakfast egg, chicken, cheese, and the paste picante sauce breakfast burrito. And like I said about this Trader Joe's taco seasoning mix is really good. I put in my eggs, and that's the cheese from Trader Joe's, but you know, paste, I got that from somewhere else. But anyway, this is the finished product. It's some lemon roasted chicken in here. It's some eggs seasoned with the taco seasoning mix, the picante sauce, the tortilla. It's a fried flour tortilla shell. So breakfast burrito. This is what's for breakfast. That's all I want to share is what I cooked and what I made and incorporated by using the Trader Joe's taco seasoning mix. I just want to let y'all know if this is good or not. So I'll be putting this up shortly. Thanks for watching. Welcome back. Love all the support.